Racing just is started. We have Security Spirit, Break, Weekly Restart, Consolidator in the middle portion. Down on the inside is Jonas Recipe. Then next on line is Summit Dancer, My Sweet Leonora. Then down on the inside now is Sugar Free. Racing second last is Friends of the Qual. Unequaled is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Consolidator by about 3 lengths. Jonas Recipe in second. Down on the inside third comes Sugar Free, My Sweet Leonora. Security is Spirit comes next. Summit Dancer is racing by the rail. Then next on line is Zanik Wild, while Friends of Doc is still racing in less. Back to the rear. We have Consolidator traveling well okay at this stage of the race. Maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Jonas Recipe in second. Down on the inside Sugar Free. And on the outside is Security Spirit, My Sweet Leonora in the middle. Then next on line is Summit Dancer. Unequal comes next while Friends of Doc is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Consolidator. This time the road's clear by about 8 lengths. My Sweet Leonora moving up down on the inside. And on the outside Jonas Recipe. Last 75 meters we have Consolidator. And finally it's Consolidator. Second is My Sweet Leonora. Jonas Recipe. Then comes Summit Dancer, Sugar Free, Unequaled.